market mo sa sitaw, hindi lang Pilipinas. Ang target market mo worldwide. Grabe, buong mundo. It was established noong October 4 of 2022 with the registered name of Sitaw Information Technology or OPC. Online platform to when you can sign in as a reseller, create ka ng your own shop, and you can have your own business online. Worldwide, worldwide ang delivery nito without any hassle. Ano yung pagkakaiba po ng sitaw sa ibang mga dropshipping company? Number one, free ang registration, no monthly subscription, no profit deduction. Para sa mga taong hindi masyadong marunong mag-promote, ay nako, effortless yan when it comes to marketing. Bakit po? Kasi sitaw, the company will also do the marketing strategies to help you sell your product sa shop mo. Kaya nga, less hassle. Kahit wala kang alam, pwede kang kumita. At di mo na...
You probably already know that we've been creating a lot of videos for Sitaw and we've been receiving a lot of hate lately. Now, I'm here in the headquarters of Sitaw Philippines. Andito tayo sa Cocolite Building, BGC. Kung may question kayo, galit kayo, may problema kayo, pwede kayong pumunta dito. Pwede nyo hanapin yung mga documents na hinahanap nyo. Actually, unang-una sa lahat, we have here our account specialist, no? So, nandito sa side na to, sa background natin, mga account specialist natin na masisipag. Sobrang daming bagong sellers ngayon, which means na overtime tong mga to, and nagdadagdag tayo ng mga account specialist. So, if you wanna learn more about this, the best you can do is register right now. So, visit sitaw.com. Sa pinakababa, click mo yung apply now and use the referral code para matawagan nila kayo. So, if you have any questions, ma-address nila yon. Second thing is, if you need documentation, legalities, meron po tayo ditong corporate lawyer. Now, let's talk about the main issue, no? So, right now, a lot of people are saying it's too good to be true, masyado daw maganda. Actually, sa totoo lang, 7% is not that big. Ang traditional dropshipping kasi nangyayari, bibili ka ng products mo, mamumuhunan ka, or maghahanap ka ng supplier, i-ads mo, ibebenta mo muna, and then babayaran mo yung supply para ma-deliver. Same goes. Kailangan mo mamuhunan para ma-deliver yung products. And alam naman natin na sa traditional dropshipping, sobrang taas ng risk. Pero syempre, mataas din yung pwede mong kitain kung magaling ka sa ads, kung marunong ka sa marketing. The problem with that is, maraming magaling ngayon, sobrang risky din yung traditional dropshipping. Now, I know a lot of people who are experts in this one. Pero kung ikaw is gusto mo lang ng time freedom, gusto mo ng financial freedom, sobrang busy ka, dami mong ginagawa, ang pwede mong gawin is sitaw. Simple lang naman magre-register ka. Pipili ka ng mga products na kaya ng budget mo. So kung sa tingin mo, risky siya, edi huwag kang mamuhunan ng malaki. Magsimula ka muna sa maliit. Since sitaw na lahat ang bahala sa marketing, sa deliveries, sa products, pipili ka na lang. It is your chance and your time to actually learn about it. Ang trabaho mo na lang, maging kalmado at maghintay. And wala namang namimilit sa inyo na maging seller. But you can actually try for yourself para malaman mo kung okay ba talaga. At pwede pang sabihin ng iba, kung sisitaw na bahala lahat, bakit kailangan pa tayo? Ayaw mo nun, meron kang opportunity to actually earn. Kasi nangyayari sa atin, yung extra pera natin at extra time natin, hindi natin nagagamit ng tama. Pero with sitaw, magre-register ka lang for free, pipili ka lang ng products. In 2 weeks, magiging pera na ulit siya, may tubo ka na 7%. Imagine, every time you check your phone, at some point, pwede mo siyang pagkakitaan. Pwede kang kumita. At nakadepende yan sa'yo. Meaning, yung laki ng puhunan mo, ikaw yung magde-decide. So, I strongly recommend sa mga nagsisimula, you can start small. Pero pag napatunayan mo na, you can actually progress with sitaw. Kaya seller now, start earning and enjoy selling with sitaw.